Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn on and off auto rotate on the Oppo A5x. Now, if you want to turn off the auto rotate feature on your Oppo phone, first of all, just go to your home screen and open settings. From here, just tap on display and brightness. And on this page, you will find the option of auto rotate. Now, if you want to disable auto rotate, just disable this toggle. And by disabling this toggle, you will disable the auto rotate feature on your smartphone. And if you want to enable auto rotate, just enable this toggle. And you will enable the auto rotate feature back on. Just like that. Now, if you cannot find this icon in the settings, you can enable and disable auto rotate from your control center. For that, just open the control center, and from here you will find the auto rotate icon over here. And if you cannot find the auto rotate icon in your control center, just tap on the three dots, then tap on edit tiles. Under more tiles, just tap on the auto rotate icon, and once you add the auto rotate icon to your control center, just go back and you will find the auto rotate feature in your control center. And this is how you can turn on and off auto rotate on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.